Angle valve filter cleaning. First, turn off the angle valve. Use a coin or a flathead screwdriver to turn it counterclockwise and remove it. After removal, you will find a filter mesh. Clean out any debris from the filter. Check the filter after cleaning. If it is not properly cleaned, it may block the water inlet. Once fully cleaned, insert it back into place and tighten it clockwise. Next, proceed with cleaning the filter inside the toilet seat. Disconnect the power. Turn off the toilet angle valve. After opening the toilet lid and seat, hold the lid firmly and lift it upwards. Once the toilet seat lid assembly is slightly lifted, move it backward. You will see hoses and cables. First, remove the side flush hose. The side flush hose can be unscrewed by hand. Remove the bottom flush hose. The water supply hose will need a wrench to remove. Turn the wrench clockwise to unscrew. After removing the hoses, unscrew the foot sensor cable. Disconnect the foot sensor cable. Reel in the power cable. Now remove the toilet seat lid assembly. Put it aside. The water inlet of the pulse valve contains a filter. Use tweezers to carefully extract the filter. You may notice a buildup of dust on the filter. Rinse it thoroughly with clean water. And then reinstall the filter. Reinstall the toilet seat lid assembly onto the ceramic toilet bowl. First, install the foot sensor cable. The foot sensor cable has a specific insertion direction. There is a notch on the top. Once the foot sensor cable is connected, install the water supply hose. Use a wrench to tighten the water supply hose. Next, install the side flush hose, which is located on the side of the toilet. Install the bottom flush hose. After tightening the hoses, check to make sure there are no issues and that they are all securely tightened. Finally, reinstall the toilet seat lid assembly.